Hi, CAPS faculty. In this video, we will go over a Canvas hack to help expand the options for accessible text colors in your courses. According to WCAG guidelines, text and background colors must have a significant contrast of at least 4.5 to 1. With the colors offered by Canvas, you're pretty much limited to the colors in the third row of the color options, with the exception of this orange in the middle, that meet this contrast guideline. However, Canvas's accessibility checker provides a bit of a workaround with this to help expand your color options. Let's take a look. Let's say you want a portion of your text in an orange color, but the colors offered by Canvas do not meet that accessibility guideline. Well, select the orange anyway. Then you'll run the accessibility checker. That's the little button that looks like a man in a circle down at the bottom right. The accessibility checker will tag the color and then guide you through making the update. Simply select the little circle inside of the box and drag it down to a darker version of the color. Once the Apply button at the bottom illuminates and becomes selectable, you have found a color that meets the 4.5 to 1 ratio guideline. Select Apply, and the color will change to the new accessible version. Since we're talking about color, we'd like to remind you of a few guidelines, as not all of your students will be able to see colors the same way. First, try not to overuse color, as that can become very distracting. Second, if you are using color for emphasis, be sure to also use another form such as bolding the text. Third, if you're using color to color code elements, have some other non-color cue such as a letter system. For example, if discussing different parts of speech, I've told students that nouns are red and verbs are green. I'm also going to put an N next to my nouns and a V next to my verbs for students who may not be able to see red and green the same as others. If you have any questions about using color in your course, or if you need any other instructional design assistance, please do not hesitate to reach out to us at Access. Thank you for watching.